In this video, you'll be learning how to change a Facebook page name. But just before we head straight into the video, if you are new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent updates. And if you find this video helpful, do well to give us a thumbs up. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. Now, you want to head straight for your Facebook app, and in the Facebook app, you want to ensure that you've logged into your Facebook page which you want to change the name. So if it's on your personal profile, you need to switch to the page. Then in the Facebook page, you want to click on the profile image, and using the profile image, it brings you to this interface. Using the profile image, clicking on the profile image, it brings you to this interface. You want to scroll down to where it says settings and privacy, and it brings you to a new interface where it says settings. Click on settings, and we have this new interface. Then you want to scroll down, navigate to where it says page setup, and here we have another interface. You want to click on name. Now, this is the name of the channel, this is the name of the page. The moment you click on the name, you have the option to edit. But I'll not be changing the name of this channel, the name of this page, so you can just get to write anything you need to write, and Facebook will remind you that your Facebook page name. Okay, so basically, if you have recently changed your name, Facebook will always tell you that there are certain amount of time. Facebook will always inform you that before you need to change your name again, it will require certain amount of time, certain period of time before you can do that again. And I'm not going to say this, I'm just going to go back. So basically, that's how you change your Facebook page name. Thank you very much, everyone. I believe you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing other videos. Bye for now.